Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the iEd Café. You can use the iEd Café to practice your pronunciation. There are different categories of materials that you can use to practice your speaking. The iEd Café is in your class materials section. You can find the iEd Café exercises in the bottom section of your class materials. Different material categories may have different speaking exercises. Some will ask you to recite what you hear. Some will ask you to answer a question. Here, you can first listen to a native English speaker's recording. Afterwards, you can click the record button to record yourself. After the recorder appears, you should click the allow button. This will turn on the microphone on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You can see the recitation text or question text at the top of the pop-up window. This is what you need to record or answer. When you are ready to record, you can click the record button to record yourself. Click the record button again to stop the recording. Afterwards, you can either click the play button to hear your recording.
Address: the particulars of the place where someone lives or an organization is situated. They exchange addresses and agree to keep in touch.
Or you can click Save to save your recording. Afterwards, you can replay your recording anytime by clicking on the play button here next to the record button.
Address: the particulars of the place where someone lives or an organization is situated. They exchange addresses and agree to keep in touch.
After submitting your recording, you can see a percentage at the right. This is your recording's average pronunciation score. You can click on the score to see a more detailed evaluation about your pronunciation for each word. If you see an alert sign, it may mean you did not record properly or your pronunciation score is too low. If you see this, please check the reason and then re-record again. For the discussion recording exercises, you can read and hear the question. Afterwards, you should record your answer clearly. After you finish recording all of your answers, you can see this button become dark. This is the model answers to the questions. If you click on them, you can listen to the question's model answer.